Hello guys, it's me Yashi Jr. and today I'm recording Masha and the bear train whistles and horns sound effects from episodes and movies. Don't forget like and subscribe our video channel and enjoy my train whistles and horns. They're used in Masha and the bear video recordings sound effects.
Make a wish, live and play games. Like a film, wonder like a film.
And absolutely no watching TV.
Okay guys, those are all the train whistles and horns from Masha and the bear. Did you like my video? Tell me in the comments. And anyways, thanks for watching for this video and see you next time and bye.